Hello and welcome to this installation video for Blue Integrator version 4. To download, we start on their webpage, blueintegrator.com. Click Try for Free. Click Try for Free. Please scroll down and type in your email address and click Try for Free. Next step is to start downloading the installation file. Here we can see the main form for the installation. Blue Integrator are using Visual Studio for code functions, mapping, and workflows. If you want to program C# code, then you have to download and install Visual Studio. You can use the Visual Studio Community Edition. We would recommend version 2019. You can download it after you have downloaded Blue Integrator. Now click the button Start to install. Click Next. Click I agree. Click Next. Click Next again and click Next. Click Close. Perfect! You have now installed Blue Integrator. Click OK. Question: would you like to install Blue Integrator Explorer? Yes. Next step is to configure Blue Integrator's SQL connection. Blue Integrator supports version 2005 to 2019. You can also use SQL Express. First thing you should do is to type in the name of the server. We recommend to use an SQL connection and not trusted connection. Create a new database. Type in a name of the database. And click OK. And click OK. We now see the license. We have automatically received 100 days free trial, so we have another 99 days left. Click Continue Trial. Next, we will be asked if we want to register a server. And yes, you would like to create a server, so click Yes. We need to fill in the form to configure a new service. Under server name, it automatically comes up depending on the name of your computer. For user account, please choose a domain account that has administrative right on the server and click OK. Great, you will receive a confirmation, and now we're finished with the installation. Well done.